Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you ready to travel? Let's review everything we learned in our first month. First up, survival English basics. Remember how to introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. You can say, I'm on holiday or I'm on a business trip. If someone doesn't understand your name, you can ask, how do you spell that? Simple, right? We also learned some very important words for travel. Let's practice. This is a passport. This is a boarding pass. This is your luggage. And this is a visa. These are key for your journey. We use the verb to have for these items. For example, I have my passport. Do you have a visa? Now, imagine we're at the airport. This is the check-in counter. Then you go through security. Finally, you wait at the gate. The big building is the terminal. Your small bag is your carry-on bag. The place you get your bags at the end is the baggage claim. What if you have another flight to catch? That's a connecting flight. At the airport, people will ask you questions. Can I see your passport, please? And you can ask for help too. Could you help me, please? This is very polite and useful. Sometimes there are problems. Oh no, your flight is delayed. Or even worse, your flight is cancelled. Don't worry, you now have the English to understand what's happening and ask for help. You've learned so much in just 1 month. Greetings, personal information, and key travel words. You can handle check-in, security, and the gate. You know how to ask polite questions and understand common travel situations. Great job, everyone. You have worked so hard. You are ready to travel with confidence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson for more travel English. Safe travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye for now.